I'm so emotional right now. I can't really say much because this is a sad scene from a movie made by Williams.
So, you want to know how this was made? Keep watching and find out. So the video you just watched was made from this AI generated image that I used for one of my thumbnails, and it's really interesting how AI technologies are advancing to compete in the market. This tool is called Hedra, and it's accessed by going to hedra.com. Hedra. Now, what Hedra does is, unlike other video generators using AI, it accepts images, either images created by you or images created by Hedra itself, and converts them to talking videos. And it's actually very, very smooth how this works out. All you need to do is create an account, sign up using your Google account, and when you go to hedra.com, the rest is history. Now, to create the video that we were able to watch in the intro, what I did was to try better, and then you'll be taken to a part where you see all these options. This is where the audio is. This is the character insertion section, and this is the final video that has been rendered. For the audio, you have two different options. You could either generate an audio right now using text, and then you choose from any of those voices, or you could import your own audio. Let's say you have already recorded an audio using your voice and you just want it to sound like you just want the avatar or the image or whatsoever it is that you're animating to sound like you. This is the option to go with. What I did was to just select this part, and we chose something. We're going to try using another instance. Let's say we want to just tell it, welcome to this channel. We are so happy to have you around. Now, this could be what we wanted to say. Another thing is the word length. You could insert up to 300 characters, which means the longer the characters, the longer the video is. Now, after typing in whatsoever it is that you want to voice out, you come to this section and select from any of those voices. So let's say we are going to just choose Dr. Von Fusion and listen to how Dr. Von Fusion sounds.
It is not so important to know everything as to appreciate what we learn.
This is so funny. Next, now that we have the voice and we have the text, we choose the character. There are two ways to go about this. You could either upload an image that you already have, or you could use the image generator to describe the character. So let's say a funny looking mad scientist. All right, so we could either generate this or we could just randomize the prompt, and let's just try creating this to see what it brings up. I haven't used the oh wow, this looks like Dr. Von Fusion. Are you the one? All right, so this is really perfect for the use case. The next thing we're going to also do is, after having this, I feel like this is very short. All right, welcome to this channel. We are so happy to have you around. I am Dr. Von Fusion, and I will show you all you need to know in the great YouTube lab. This is nice. All right, now we have this, then click on generate, and that's it. Like, it queues up the video. All you need to do is wait for it to complete. Another approach that we can do is to try using our voice. So I'm going to upload a voice of mine and then my picture, then see how that recording synchronizes with my picture. I'm sure this can be used for some some dangerous things, I'm afraid. Like, I mean, I could use this using someone's picture and someone's voice and just clone the voice. And anyway, so many things could happen, but I don't even want to dive into that. All right, so I've been able to find a picture of mine looking this way. It's quite funny. But then I also recorded this audio. So guys, I don't know about you, but Hedra AI makes me think of Hail Hydra from the Agents of Shield movie. What do you think? Okay, so let's see how this synchronizes with this to create a video. By the way, this is the output of the video we just generated.
Welcome to this channel. We are so happy to have you around. I am Dr. Von Fusion, and I will show you all you need to know in the great YouTube lab.
All right, Dr. Von Fusion, we've heard you. This is really nice. All right, let's just generate the video now using this that we have imputed to see how it takes care of my hand just around my mouth and me not looking at the camera and having some other things around. Let's see how it handles this. While it's generating, what do you think of this tool? I mean, it's a nice tool. It has its own touch to it in the sense that we have seen AI video generators that have created videos from images, but most of the ones that we've seen don't have audio incorporated into the system. And for that reason, this is unique because you could replace this with a song and allow the character itself to sing the song. There's endless possibilities to what you can do with this. And while it's generating, I should just show you what Hedra is planning to do. Some of their upcoming release would include creating virtual worlds around object or a subject that you already have. So let's say you have an orange here, you could add some other elements around it and create a video out of it. So you could join the waitlist to check it out. For now, everything is free, but we know how these tools work. In the end, there's still going to be pricing attached to it and all that. So yeah, so our video has finished. That was fast. Let's play it and see. So guys, I don't know about you, but Hedra AI makes me think of Hail Hydra from the Agents of Shield movie. What do you think? Okay, that was really bad. Maybe because of the I knew this was going to be a difficult one because of my finger just being around my mouth, so it had to find a way to get rid of the finger so that my mouth could be visible, and in the process it changed the entire shape of my face. But you could try it with images that have your face clearly showing. Now, that's just what this tool can do. If you like any of this, let's say you like this talking potato or this ancient looking character, you could just easily click on remix and it's going to add the character over here and give you the prompts used to create the character, and you could just use the same character, have like it say something, and boom. So that's it. That's what Hedra can do. What do you see yourself using Hedra AI for? Just let me know in the comment section about anything that you think about Hedra. That's been it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you around.